Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take notes using Obsidian. First, download and install the application on your computer. Next, open Obsidian and create a new vault, which is essentially a folder on your local drive where all your notes will reside. This ensures your data remains private and accessible offline. Begin by creating your first note and give it a clear, descriptive title. This foundational step sets the stage for building your personal knowledge graph. One of Obsidian's most powerful features is its ability to link notes. Simply type 2 opening square brackets, then the name of the note you want to link, followed by 2 closing square brackets. This creates a bidirectional link, meaning both notes know about each other. The graph view then visually represents these connections, allowing you to see your knowledge network grow. Explore unlinked mentions to find potential new connections and enrich your understanding. Beyond linking, tags are crucial for organizing your notes effectively. Add a hashtag followed by a keyword, like hash project or hash idea, anywhere in your note. This allows you to categorize notes without strict folder hierarchies. You can assign multiple tags to a single note, offering immense flexibility. Use the search bar to filter notes by specific tags, making information retrieval incredibly efficient and streamlined. This method helps you find exactly what you need when you need it. Obsidian's extensibility through community plugins is a game changer. These add-ons can introduce new features, from calendar views to advanced task management. Consider using daily notes for a consistent journaling practice or to capture fleeting thoughts. Furthermore, leverage templates to standardize your note creation process, ensuring consistency across your vault. With hundreds of plugins available, you can customize Obsidian to perfectly fit your unique note-taking style and workflow, making it truly your own.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.